So it's happening now. Domino is scaling. I just want to show you. I'm off to eat dinner, and what's happening behind me here is actually, here we have a class. So this means we're branching out, we're scaling up, and this is wonderful. So this is called Domino Classroom. If you don't know about it already, we've had many cohorts already. We've got about 60 students who've joined this program. They're all wonderfully excited about it, just like I am. And so now tonight we're actually starting one with Xiao, who is an extremely good teacher. Handpicked her myself, and she'll run a few more classrooms as well. This is one of them, her first one. And there's another guy, Yu Yang, who starts his first class in about 4 hours. Super exciting stuff, guys. Yeah, so that's all I have to say. I'm just very excited. And we're coming for the rest of the world now as well. We're talking to big companies, we're talking to small companies, we're talking to institutions, and obviously civilians as well. We'll be all over the world very, very soon. So if you haven't heard about us then I guess it's because you don't have any internet connection. Thank you for listening and watching this video and sharing this wonderful moment with me. Look at me, and that right there is Xiao, and those are students, just some of them.